Are you having trouble flashing your Samsung Galaxy A56 5G or removing the FRP lock? ISP Pinout for Samsung Galaxy M33 UFS might be helpful in this case. You may encounter issues when attempting to flash stock firmware, remove locks, or bypass factory reset protection using your tools. Resetting the Samsung Galaxy A56 user lock, writing a UFS dump, and erasing the MDM lock are all possible with the help of this pinout. You can find the Samsung Galaxy M33 SM M336B UFS ISP pinout and how to use it here. Following the complete tutorial and pictures below, you can quickly get the UFS ISP pinout connection of the Samsung Galaxy A56. You may bypass the FRP lock or reset user data on your device using the ISP pinout with EasyJTag Plus box or any other tool. Check out the guide below. What is Samsung Galaxy A56 5G UFS ISP pinout? UFS ISP pinout refers to the Universal Flash Storage In-System Programming pinout. It is a set of pins on the device's circuit board that allows direct access to the flash memory. Advanced users and technicians can bypass the typical software interfaces and directly interact with the device's storage system by connecting to these pins. Samsung Galaxy M33 SM M336B repair dead boot, flashing, remove FRP lock, and any brand phone at EasyJTag Plus is the only box that supports UFS. Some phones need those boxes after flashing the wrong firmware and not booting. If you had those boxes for boot repair, it would be great. Removing a pin, pattern, password, FRP, or MDM lock on some brands is impossible. You can remove locks with this. Read more Oppo F25 Pro 5G UFS ISP pinout. Samsung Galaxy 56 SM A566B/E UFS ISP pinout image. First, take your phone's back cover off. Then, remove the battery, fingerprint reader, and camera from the motherboard. Unscrew the screws that hold the motherboard in place. Carefully remove it and put it in a safe place. Find the TX-OP, TX-ON, RX-OP, and RX-ON pins for the eMMC on the device. You might have to cut through the steel cover to get to them. Get the UFI box, then take the adapter out of it. The pins on the adapter should be the same as the ones listed in the last step. Between the base and the adapter, use jumpers to connect the 4 pins: TX-OP, TX-ON, RX-OP, and RX-ON. Leave the USB to power the VCC and VCCQ. Put the connector into the UFI box and connect the box to your computer. Connect the battery to the computer again. Then, connect the phone to your computer using the USB connection. Required: Samsung Galaxy A56 5G with good charge battery. EasyJTag box with adapter. Micro USB cable. Computer or laptop. Samsung Galaxy A56 5G FRP lock using EasyJTag Plus. Remove the device's back panel and connect the wire to the UFS ISP pinout. Next, connect the correct UFS ISP pinout to the EasyJTag Plus box. Check the UFS tab, then click on Identify UFS chip. Connect your Samsung Galaxy A56 5G to the PC via a USB cable. Go to Preset, select Persistent. Now click on Erase LUN0 data.